Lean principles are a set of techniques used by businesses to streamline processes, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. A service organization can use lean principles to address MURA in their production process to address variability in demand for its products. To accomplish this, the organization can use a pull-based system like Kanban to control product flow, reduce batch sizes, and establish standard work procedures. Furthermore, the organization can use visual management techniques to quickly identify waste areas and engage in continuous improvement activities such as Kaizen to eliminate MURA sources indefinitely. Balancing production entails ensuring that all parts of the manufacturing process run at the same speed and with the least amount of waste. A company can achieve a balanced production process by analyzing its production process to identify bottlenecks and areas of variability, implementing a pull-based production control system such as Kanban, establishing standard work procedures, and employing visual management techniques. In addition, the company should constantly monitor and adjust the production process to ensure that it remains balanced, as well as engage in continuous improvement activities to identify and eliminate sources of variability. A company can achieve a balanced production process that is efficient, flexible, and responsive to changes in demand by implementing these steps. There is a wealth of literature and practical examples that demonstrate the effectiveness of these techniques in improving and balancing production processes. Many businesses, for example, have implemented pull-based production control systems such as Kanban and seen significant improvements in efficiency, flexibility, and responsiveness. Furthermore, organizations that have engaged in continuous improvement activities such as Kaizen have been able to identify and eliminate sources of waste and variability in their manufacturing processes, resulting in a more balanced and efficient manufacturing process. These examples show how lean principles and techniques can significantly improve a company's production process and balance output.